Hurry, everyone! Many customers are waiting for their food right now tonight.
Yes, sir. I will carefully serve every customer without making any mistake.
Excuse me. Why are you standing there doing nothing? Bring my order quickly.
Yes, ma'am. I am bringing your food immediately. Please give me 1 minute.
1 minute is too long. I already waited a lot for my order.
I am really sorry for the delay, and we are extremely busy in the restaurant tonight. Here is your food, ma'am. Please check carefully if everything is correct now.
This is completely wrong order, and are you even paying attention to customers properly?
I am very sorry for the mistake, and I will fix everything immediately for you.
This restaurant always gives terrible service, and I regret coming here again, honestly, today.
Yes, workers here are careless and do not respect customers at all. I will replace it quickly right now, and please stay calm for 1 moment.
Do not come near my table again, and you already ruined my entire mood.
What is happening here? Why is customer shouting so loudly inside restaurant now?
Your waiter is careless and cannot even do simple work properly here.
Ethan, how many times did I warn you about taking orders carefully?
Sir, it was only a small mistake. I was trying to fix it quickly.
I do not want excuses from workers. I want proper professional service here.
You are absolutely right, ma'am. We will take immediate action on this issue. You are fired immediately right now. Leave restaurant without any delay.
Sir, please give me one more chance. I really need this job.
No more chances at all, and we cannot keep careless workers anymore here.
People like you should not even work in such a professional restaurant place.
I understand everything clearly now. I will leave immediately, without arguing anything. I lost my job today, and everything feels extremely heavy inside me. They only saw my mistake, but completely ignored my hard-working effort. I gave my best every single day. Still, I was rejected so easily. I cannot stay weak forever like this. I need to change my life. One day, I will come back here again, in a completely different position. I will return not as a waiter, but as someone powerful and respected.
You look like someone who lost everything in just 1 moment.
Yes, I lost my job and also lost my confidence completely today.
Then stop thinking like a worker and start thinking like a real owner.
I do not understand how to change my life from this point.
Pain is the strongest teacher in life, if you use it properly.
Then I will use my pain to build something meaningful and strong.
Good, because your new life must start from this moment onward.
I am ready to learn everything and never give up anymore again. I need to understand the business world deeply and change my entire thinking. I cannot stay in this weak position anymore in my life journey.
Business is not only money, it is understanding human behavior deeply.
I understand people better now. Because I felt disrespect in real life.
Then you already have the strongest foundation for success in future life.
I will build my future step by step with full determination now.
Sir, your small project is getting attention from several local investors now.
Good, but I am not doing this for fame or attention only.
Your thinking style is very different from normal business-minded people.
Because I was once ignored and disrespected in real working environment.
Sir, there is a restaurant chain available for sale in prime location now.
Show me full details carefully, and I think I already know that place. I used to work in that restaurant before, as a simple waiter.
Sir, are you completely sure about buying this restaurant right now?
Yes, I want full ownership of that restaurant without any delay now.
Understood, sir. I will prepare all legal documents immediately for purchase.
I am ready to face my past again, with full confidence now.
Everyone listen carefully. New owner will arrive today in this restaurant.
I hope new owner improves this restaurant because service is still bad.
Wait, you look very familiar. Have we met before in this place?
Yes, I worked here before, as a waiter in this restaurant.
This cannot be true. You were fired from this restaurant before.
Yes, I was a waiter here, and I learned everything from here. I am truly sorry for everything that happened in the past here.
I also want to apologize for my rude behavior toward you.
You both showed me how people judge others without knowing their true story. That moment did not break me. It made me stronger inside. You respected position, but never respected the person behind that position.
I understand now. I made a very big mistake that day, honestly.
Please give us another chance, and we will work honestly from now.
I will not treat you the way you treated me before. Respect should always be given to every person equally in life.
Sir, what is your final plan for this restaurant now?
We will create a place where every worker is respected equally, always. Because I once stood where they stand and felt the same pain.